I'm staying with the theme of the islands, and you can see why with the delay in all of these projects. And so, Banan Makeshle, Inis Oírr, agus Gohorad, Tá Maigiri, Kendall Concina, Dá Genta, O Hivna Kevaje, Atá and Shin, and Ober, Atá Gelta. Where are we in relation to the update on the Inis Oírr pier? And again, I'm looking at 20 years ago that it started. Perhaps you're going to break that spell, Minister.
Minister.
Goramahigot Cahirlock and Goramahigot Deputy Conley. Galway County Council is the responsible authority for the maintenance and development of pier infrastructure on the Aran Islands. In July 2023, I gave approval to Galway County Council to issue a request for tender for the development of the Inis Oírr pier. Galway County Council is the contracting authority and is therefore responsible for all aspects of the procurement process. A steering committee consisting of representatives from my department at Galway County Council meets on a regular basis, with the most recent meeting taking place on the 20th of February to monitor progress on the development of the piers on Inis Oírr and Inishmaan. Both projects are included in the National Development Plan. I understand that a two-stage tender process is currently underway and that Galway County Council has completed the evaluation of the tenders received for Stage 1. I am advised that documents for Stage 2 of the tender process are due to be published within the next fortnight. This second stage is limited to the successful tenderers from Stage 1 and gives them an additional period of time to prepare detailed proposals in response to the tender documents. Galway County Council will then evaluate the responses to identify a preferred bidder. Subject to the successful completion of this procurement process, it is expected that a contractor will be appointed later this year. And I can assure the Deputy that I am determined that we maintain the momentum to get this project underway and completed.
Thank you, Minister. Deputy Conley.
I appreciate you giving me a date for later this year, but in the context of 20 years, I'm still a little sceptical, so I'll be coming back to you repeatedly for the rest of the year. Have you any clarification on the foreshore licence? I think there was a request for a necessity for a foreshore licence. Where is that at? And all I can keep repeating, at the risk of boring you, is that was the urgent need for an islands policy, and really what's missing is an islands policy based on legislation, because I shouldn't have to be here with other colleagues tormenting whatever minister is here to push for the most basic requirements so that people can live sustainably on islands. They have enough difficulties without a lacking of basic infrastructure. The overtopping on the harbour is a matter of health and safety, and it's been like that for a very long time.
Thank you, Deputy. Look, you've been on to me many times on this, and we have spent a lot of time when it came to Inis Oírr. They were carrying out simulation exercises, and they were doing that in Cork, and that went on and on and on. Sorry? Inishmaan. Well, okay, sorry. Well, at least I finished that. Look at... Right.
The booklet.
Well, it seems to take an awful long time to do anything with islands, I'll be straight with you, and I'd like to see it moving a bit quicker. The only point about this is, at least we're now, we have Stage 1 of the tender is over, we're at the second stage. Galway County Council have completed the evaluation, so now they're going to ask for the more detailed tenders to come in, and you know, that'll take up to about 4 months to assess them. To be honest with you, it's going to take up about 4 months. So I'll keep the pressure on, and I know you'll keep the pressure on me, and you're right, because I'll keep the pressure on others as well, and we might get this moved on, because it is going on a long time, and I absolutely accept that.
There's a monitoring committee set up. Are you getting feedback from that? Are you aware of what was discussed on the 20th of February? Are they keeping you up to speed in relation to any difficulties that are rising. You're saying it'll take 4 months to assess. I appreciate that. That's a clear deadline now, approximately 4 months, and a contractor will be employed this year in relation to Inis Oírr. The Inis Man is further down the list in relation to the Collamore, and they're absolutely frustrated that it's gone on so long and we haven't reached stage 3. But I said I wouldn't use all my time, and I won't.
Thank you. Deputy, the officials from my department in Galway County Council, they actually, I think they meet now on a monthly basis, and the last meeting was on the 20th of February, and I do get I get updates, particularly when I have PQs, to be honest with you. But I will continue to maintain the pressure to make sure that we move this on. But Galway County Council have a role here as well, so they need to keep the momentum going there too. So thank you.